Here are the 5 reasons why you should choose Carmel Eco Village as your next home. Number 1, its accessibility. Carmel Eco Village is just 5 minutes away from city town proper. Meron tayong magiging access sa banks, church, and also the markets. Number 2, marami tayong model house na pwede nating pagpilian. Meron tayong Maiya Single Detached, meron tayong Happy Single Attached, Premium Townhouse at Semi-Premium Townhouse. Number 3, this residential community aims to create a healthy environment that promotes wellness and sustainability. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng bahay, this important factor you should consider. Number 4, this community is very close to the nature. Aside sa napapaligiran tayo ng puno sa loob ng subdivision, alam mo ba na napapagitnaan tayo ng Sampaloc Lake at Pandindig? Number 5, its amenities. Alam ko, gasgas na sa atin ang amenities katulad ng swimming pool, parks and playground, and clubhouse. Pero alam mo ba guys, na dito sa Carmel Ecoville meron tayong fruit trees on orchard, walking trails, and yung ating wellness clubhouse. So dito matatagpuan yung ating jacuzzi, massage spa, and meditation area. So kung interested ka sa ganitong project, message mo lang yung mga number na naka-flash sa screen or message me to my Facebook page, The Southern Broker.